Okay, continuing with areas and volumes. Okay, now we're going to focus on cones and spheres. Okay? Now, here we have the formulas for the area, surface area of a cone, and the volume of a cone. Okay, we also have the area for a sphere and the volume of a sphere. Okay, so depending on the values that they're going to give us, we're going to find, okay, the area and the volume. Okay? Now, if you notice here, okay, like I said in class, figures are not my strength, okay, but this is the normal size cone. Okay, we have a circular figure for a base, and then if we were to spread this part open, we're going to have this, okay? So if you notice, this is like a circular sector of a circle. Okay, so it has the figure of a part of a circle, and then we have a normal circle as a base. Okay, so when we're looking for the area and the cone, the area and the volume of a cone, we just need to substitute the values. Okay, remember that when we're talking about the surface area of a cone, we will need to add the values of the area of the circle plus the area of the sector. Okay? Okay. So let's work with the information that they're giving us. It says, find the area of a cone with radius 4.5 meters and a height of 8.5 meters. Okay? Okay, so we take our values here with the formula. Okay? And here G is the same as height. Okay, because remember that G would be this, which would be technically the height of this sector. Okay? So we have that it's pi r, okay, and G plus r, which is the height plus the radius. Okay? So let's bring our values here. Okay, and we're talking about the area of the cone. Okay, so we have pi, then r, which is 4.5, okay, times the height, which is 8.5 meters, plus the radius, which is 4.5. Okay, so here we're just substituting. Okay, if you notice, okay, r is here from the formula r. Okay, and inside the parentheses we have G plus h, which would be the slant, plus the radius. Okay, so we take our calculators. Okay, and we have 8.5 plus 4.5. Okay, here we're using the distributive property. Okay, so first here, then times this, then times this. Okay, so we have 13. This one gives us 13. Let's put the numbers. Okay, so we have pi 4.5 meters times 13 meters. Okay, so we have 13 times 4.5, 58.5 times pi. Okay, pi times 58.5. We have that the area of the cone is equal to 183.78, which would be, let's round it up, 0.8 meters squared. Okay, and there we have the area of our cone. Okay, here we're just substituting the values on the formula. Okay, now using the same information, let's calculate the volume. Okay, so if we're talking about the volume of a cone. Let's bring out the formula. Okay, we have 1/3 here, pi r squared times the height. Okay, so we put in our values. 1/3. Okay, we have the radius is, well, the first one is pi. The radius is to the square. Okay, so it's 4.5 to the square. Okay, times the height, which would be 8.5. Okay, so let's come back to our calculators. 4.5 to the square, it's 20.25. Okay, so we have pi 20.25 times 8.5. Let's simplify that. And we have 172. This is multiplied. 0.1. All of this divided by 3. Okay, so we have 172 times pi, okay, equals 540.74. Let's put 7. This is meters to the cube, remember. Okay, this becomes square times this units to the cube. Okay, and this divided by 3. And this comes back to 180.25 meters cube. And we have our answer. Okay, perfect. Okay, so here we have the area and volume of a cone. Okay, because remember that with the area, it was the area of the sector added with the area of the circle. Okay, and then we have, okay, the volume, which would be just what can fit inside a cone. Okay, and remember, volume is meters to the cube or units to the cube, and area is units to the square. Okay, perfect. On the next lesson, we're going to work on the spheres, okay, which is pretty simple as well. We just have pi r to the cube times 4 divided by 3. Okay, this is the exact formula for a sphere. Okay, so make sure to check the link under this video. You will find some exercises that you need to work on, okay, and hand them in whenever we come back to class as part of your accumulative points. Okay, so make sure to check it out, and if you have any questions, make sure to contact me so that I can help you out.